Good morning, Airsoft Pistol taker at Driverwood Activity Centre. Wet and windy, but got a bit late. Traffic was awful, but we're going to get out there, do some work, so get ready for some hopefully good content. See you. Watch out, watch out! Off me flag!
Quite a few people in it anyway.
Need someone else with me, Greens!
Why not leave me?
Hello, mate. Woo! Hit! Shot! Bye, mate. Hello, mate. Tower. How you doing? You up, buddy? Go to the tower. I know. Yeah. Hit! Fuck! Let's do it. Right, they've pushed up as far as here now, okay. So we've got to watch our right side, okay? Yep. Greens, put fire on that tower, on Fortress and CQB area. Put fire in that Fortress and CQB area. Let's go, down this way, that's where they are now. Watch out, marshals! Hit! Ah! Yep. So currently being pinned down by the purples. They got the flag up. Got on there. Unfortunately, my colleagues didn't follow me, but we'll get in there. I'm going to go for it now. God, one of them must have got you, dude. Come on, mate. Fucking hell, take your hits for fuck's sake. It's bounced off his back. The guy running up there, he went to the left. Camo vest on.
Come on, guys.
Hit! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Alright, purple team's having.
Right,
We need one more.
listen to me. We've got to go to the single decker bus.
Single decker?
Yeah, hold that for 10 minutes.
Right.
But we need to pick up the mortar from the 6-wheeler first.
Right,
One more purple.
Where the f-
take it, get ready to move.
Lovely.
Come this way, come this way.
Well, there you go, you got
So
two now.
6.
Right, we're going to do a loop, we're going to do a loop, we're going to take you this way, yeah? Come this way, take
Remember, you got to go 6-wheeler to get the. We got to get the mortar from the mortar tube from the 6-wheeler.
Right, we've got a circle. Oh, it's come from...
What's that? All right, do it at the end. Lovely. 6-wheeler then, mate. Get me to 6-wheeler. Not 6-wheeler, sorry. Single decker bus. We can get the mortar tube near the end.
Be careful, there won't be one on the road.
We got to blow up that single decker first for 10 minutes, yeah?
I've got to take this one.
We need single decker, guys. Need to push it hard.
Right. Single decker, I've got the techie. Push the single.
Here we go. Boom. Nice, mate.
Nice and easy, nice and easy.
Unlucky. How far up are they, guys?
To push up.
About the end of that red bike. I'm pushing up.
I've got a shotgun, I'm very limited.
No, that's fine, right. So you need somebody with me, or get them to put hard cover on so we can just get moving.
Single decker, yeah?
Yeah, single decker.
Behind the taxi, guys. Hit! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Purple, come on, go. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Unlucky, buddy. 4, 5. Get your team working, Purple. 7, 8, 9, 10.
Roam around here, let them.
Hit! 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Grab your tech, guys. Let's grab that tech.
Hit! 1, 2, 3. Put your hand on me. 4. Hand on me. 5, 6. Well done. Right. Shut. In the bus, top deck. On.
Come here.
Let's go.
There you go, a bit of music. You alright? Well taken. Oh.
Sorry, well played, mate. Sorry, I had to take him out. He was in there. Right, let's get to the bus.
In the bus, come on.
They're in the bus, are they?
No, no.
Right, let's push them. Purple on me. Right, let's go. One more purple. One more purple in the single. Come on.
Fucking hell.
Purple.
Am I playing this on one
You are, mate. You are. Purple.
One more and then I'll stop.
Get to the single deck when the timer starts. Come on. Watch that way because they're going to be coming straight back. Watch your head.
Come to me, quick, quick.
Purple, we need you in here now.
in the bus,
In here.
quick.
Then the timer
In the
starts.
bus, quick.
Well done. Right, timer starts. Let's
Come in
go.
that window.
Right,
10 minutes, lads.
cover just here, down there.
Got the door,
You got, yeah, and I'll do this. Watch this window here, buddy, right?
Purple. Your timer has started.
Right, we're here, yeah, so watch. Watch, just if I'm going to be watching that way, but just in case, yeah, I'd stand a bit back.
Let's go to single decker.
Remember that rear door opens at the back there if we need to.
Let's grab this single decker car.
Well done, boys, well done. You, what's your name, dude?
Douglas.
Douglas, well done, mate. That's really fucking good work. Twice you got me. Well done.
You're very limited with a Sega, so you best start running.
Yeah. No, done well, mate. On this game, you need your team working because
Bro,
in a
I've
minute,
got a team of 5, but
yeah,
my radio died.
in a minute, in 10 minutes, I've got another location I've got to give you.
Right, sweet.
So you. Oh, sorry, mate. You. So,
Are you alive or are you dead?
I am dead now.
Oh, okay, thank God for that.
I was going to give him money if you weren't, you know what I mean?
was you alive?
Yeah.
Fucking donut. He's just wandering. I was thinking, what the fuck, man? Yeah, man. Fucking, I'm pleased I shot him. I wasn't going to shoot him. I thought, no, he can't be in play. He's too cash.
What the fuck is that team? I literally had my friends behind me and they just...
Right, there's a green coming. Drill, out of the way, mate. So, mate, to your right or left. Thank you. Just saw someone cut across, but fucking hell.
Oh.
Woo-hoo-hoo. Well covered.
Did he?
How have they got round here?
I don't know.
What the fuck? Right, this is the problem with this game. It's going to spread because our purples don't know where the fuck they are. Cool. Well played, guys. Okay, now. The purple now. Is he, oh, he's dead.
About a 9-minute countdown from here.
Yeah, they're going to be cut. That's where they're spoiled. See, up by the bus. I don't think I've got the range, but hang on, stand by. You got the range, buddy, didn't you?
Yeah.
Up behind bus. Up behind. Oh, I've got him. 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 Bang! Kill!
Am I dead?
Outside. No, it was outside, Drill. We're all right, aren't we?
Oh, in the bus, in the bus.
Dead, dead, dead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just touch me. 8, 9. Oh, lovely. I was going to shot you.
We're green.
Green's in bus.
I'm green. Get in.
He's checking himself. I'm green.
I thought you guys were purple.
Well done, man.
Nah, mate.
Well done, mate.
Mate.
Need another.
Mate.
Don't tell him. Don't talk. You're dead. Don't talk. You're dead. Bang. Dead. You're dead. Flashbang.
Oh, sorry.
Yep, you're out. 1, 2. You're right. You're right. You threw it. Who threw it?
No, I threw it, but then when I went to get the confirmation, he shot me.
6. No, he was dead. No.
Yeah.
Who shot you? He shot you.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Sorry. Okay, that's cool. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sorry, dude. I'm gonna have to do it. Sorry, mate. You're dead. You got to touch me.
Oh, my
Yeah, because I got done. Oh,
Be careful, we've got
guys,
some purple
guys,
left.
guys. Green right here. Green right here. Look, here it is.
Come in, bud.
We're purples, dude. Unlucky. Unlucky.
In you come, bro.
Bless
him.
Green just cut across to the right.
That's you. That's you.
Yeah.